Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook in the wild. First, let's discuss planning. Always check local regulations regarding fires and foraging. Pack lightweight, non-perishable ingredients and essential tools like a sturdy pot, a sharp knife, and fire starters. Safety is paramount. Ensure you have a first aid kit and know how to use it. We'll cover fire building techniques next, focusing on efficiency and control for a successful wilderness meal. Building a safe and effective cooking fire is crucial. Choose a spot at least 10 feet from anything flammable, clearing a 1-foot radius down to bare earth. Collect tinder, kindling, and larger fuel wood. A teepee or log cabin lay works well for cooking. Start small, gradually adding fuel to build a consistent heat. Remember, a controlled fire is a safe and efficient one, allowing you to cook your meals evenly and without worry. Once your fire is ready, various cooking methods are at your disposal. For grilling, place food directly over hot coals, not flames, for even cooking. Indirect heat is perfect for baking in a Dutch oven or creating foil packet meals, allowing food to cook slowly. Boiling water for rehydrated meals or drinks is simple with a pot suspended over the fire. Always practice good hygiene, washing hands and utensils to prevent foodborne illness. Having the right gear makes a huge difference. A lightweight cooking pot, a sturdy spatula, and a sharp knife are indispensable. Don't forget multiple fire starters, like waterproof matches and a ferro rod as backups. A water filter or purification tablets are vital for safe hydration. Most importantly, always carry a comprehensive first aid kit and understand how to use it. These preparations ensure a safe and enjoyable wild cooking experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.